Hello guys, today I'll show you how to awaken ice fruit in blox fruit. Awakening ice fruit enhances its abilities, making it even more powerful for battles. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you awaken your ice fruits effectively. Firstly, gather fragments to awaken ice fruit. You need a total of 14,500 fragments. You can obtain fragments by completing raids or defeating sea beasts. Next, head to the Awakening Hub, then look for the blox fruit dealer. Choose your moves to awaken the Awakening order for ice fruit moves. Next, choose your moves to awaken. The Awakening order for ice fruit Z moves is as follows: Z move, F move, X move, C move, and V move. Every move gives you fragments. For example, Z move gives you 500 fragments. Next, after spending the fragments, check your moves to ensure they are awakened. Each awakened move will be more potent, enhancing your gameplay significantly. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.